How to share PowerPoint presentation as a link to Facebook. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple and easy. Go to PowerPoint, this is the home page. Now choose the document that you want to share. For example, I'm gonna choose this one right here, and now it will take you here. Go to the top and click on this little share icon. Now click on share as a link, click on edit link. Now here you will find Facebook. As you can see, it's very easy and fast. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.